Pulit ke ribhoi mynta ke sngi ke arpoi tarik Nailur, kila yok ban bat ya Kawei ke Trok Nongpoh Ri-Bhoi District, ryngkat Kynja kumba kadei kilo. Katei ke Trok kadei ke bedang hiar ki bynta Guwhati. Katei ke jingïoh kem Pulit ke ribhoi ya katei ke Trok kadei Hadien ban naka Liang Pulit, kila yok ya jingtip ke bñiah halor ke jingdon Kawei ke Trok ke bakit ya jingdih buaid, bat naka Liang Pulit kila pelong ke jingpen ap shrip Nongpoh. Bat kila yok ban bat ya Kawei ke Trok ke bedon new number NL not R N R Rio Lai not. Hadien ke jingta lasi lalap ya kumba kadei kilo Kynja marijuana balasong bah haki plastik balakit ha katei ke Trok balayok Kurup ru i kisong tok Kynja na katei ke Trok. Halor katei ke jingïoh Kurup Pulit kila kem no i unongnya jo katei ke Trok bat ke jing tok kit kadang yat chakamat.
Good afternoon. Today we got a source information that one truck is carrying some contraband substances. On receiving the information, we have put up a naka checking both in Unsning and in Nongpoh. So during the naka checking, we have intercepted one truck bearing registration number NL02 N2630, and one person was detained by the name Boro. He is the driver of the truck, and on checking from the truck we have recovered 9 kg of ganja, and the formalities are being done by our staff, and the truck has been seized and the driver is arrested.